Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the new features in the Echo Dot with a clock. I will show you the additional features the clock gives you so you can decide if it's worth the extra cost compared to the standard Dot. I will also give you some simple tips and tricks of other things you can do with your new Echo. So first of all, the only difference between the Echo Dot with a clock and the standard Echo is the LED display on the front. Most of the time the LED will display the time, but it will display some other information depending what you ask for. A lot of people will have the Echo Dot by their bed. You may be concerned that the lights will be too bright. However, the light level will change depending on the ambient lighting. The first tip I'm going to show you is that you can ask for brightness to be turned down. For example, brightness down. As you can see, the brightness has decreased and the screen displays the brightness level. You can also ask for the brightness level that you want, between 1 and 10. For example, brightness 2. One of the most useful features of using the Echo in your bedroom is using it as a bedside clock. When you set the alarm, it will display the time you have set. Set alarm for 10:50 AM.
Alarm set for 10:50 AM.
It will also show you the time of the alarm if you ask for it. What time is my alarm?
10:50 AM.
Another useful tip is that you can tap the top of the Echo to dismiss the alarm, which is similar to what you would do with a traditional bedside alarm clock. Other useful features include setting timers. When you set a timer, the Echo will show how long you have left before the timer is due. The Echo will also display the temperature if you ask for it, and show you the current volume level. Apart from that, the features are the same as a regular Echo Dot. It should also be noted that the Echo is regularly on sale. I've left a link in the description below where you can find the best price. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yo.